Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and learn. In the field of education, AI has the potential to transform traditional teaching and learning methods, making education more accessible, personalized, and effective. From personalized learning systems to AI-powered teaching assistants, the possibilities are endless. But as AI technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, it's important to examine both the benefits and the potential drawbacks of its integration into education. Perhaps you are familiar with ChatGPT, Google Bard, or any of the other AI tools that have garnered media attention in recent months. If you are an educator, you may have heard discussions on how the widespread availability of such tools could impact the future of learning. This article provides a definition and brief history of artificial intelligence, highlights some current uses of AI in education, and explores optimistic, pessimistic, and concerning predictions regarding how AI could reshape education in the future. What is artificial intelligence, anyway? Before delving too far ahead, let's take a brief look at the evolution of this dynamic technology. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around for centuries, but it has only recently become a reality due to advancements in computer science and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI research dates back to the 1950s when scientists began exploring the possibility of creating intelligent machines. In the 1960s and 1970s, AI research shifted to developing algorithms and models for specific tasks, like playing chess or speech recognition. Machine learning became the focus in the 1980s and 1990s, allowing computers to learn and adapt without being programmed explicitly. Today, AI systems can simulate the cognitive functions of the human brain, including perception, reasoning, and learning. They can be classified based on their level of intelligence, such as narrow or general AI. Narrow AI can perform specific tasks, while general AI can adapt to a wide range of tasks. AI is used in various industries today, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. It is behind the scenes analyzing data, making predictions, and automating processes. Self-driving cars, personal assistants, and medical diagnosis systems are some examples of current AI applications. As AI technology advances, it is predicted to have a more significant impact on many aspects of our lives. However, concerns about potential negative consequences of AI, such as job displacement and decision-making bias, also exist. The ongoing debate about how to address these issues will continue as they arise. Exploring the use of AI in education, current applications and benefits. Education is embracing AI, personalized learning, grading, and chatbots revolutionizing learning. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, in education is on the rise, offering personalized learning, improving student outcomes, and reducing teacher workload. Personalized learning systems, powered by machine learning algorithms, are already thriving in adapting learning materials to individual student needs and abilities. By providing customized content and feedback, AI-powered personalized learning systems can help students learn more effectively and improve their performance. AI is also being utilized to assist teachers in planning and classroom management. For instance, AI-powered grading systems can help teachers save time by automatically grading assignments and providing feedback to students. AI chatbots can also answer students' questions and offer support outside of class time. By automating these tasks, AI can free teachers to focus on more high-level tasks, such as lesson planning and individualized instruction. The pros and cons of AI in education. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize education, but like any new technology, it has both pros and cons. There are numerous advantages to utilizing AI in education. Personalized learning. AI algorithms can analyze student data and provide personalized learning paths, which can help students learn at their own pace and according to their individual needs. Improved efficiency. AI can automate routine tasks, such as grading, freeing up teachers to focus on more creative and engaging activities. Accessibility. AI can provide additional support for students with disabilities or language barriers, making education more inclusive and accessible. Cost-effective. AI can reduce the cost of education by automating tasks that would otherwise require human labor. There exist several drawbacks to employing AI in education. Bias. AI algorithms can perpetuate existing biases, reinforcing inequalities in education and society. Job displacement. The use of AI in education could potentially lead to job losses for educators and other education professionals. Data privacy. The collection and use of student data by AI systems raise concerns about privacy and data security. Ethical concerns. There are ethical concerns surrounding the use of AI in education, including issues of transparency, accountability, and the potential for abuse. As with any technology, the implementation of AI in education must be done with care and consideration for its potential benefits and risks. Education professionals and policymakers must work together to address the challenges and maximize the potential benefits of AI in education. 10 impressive applications of AI in education you need to know about. Number 1. Personalized learning. AI-powered personalized learning systems use machine learning algorithms to analyze student data and adapt the learning material to each student's individual needs and abilities. These systems provide personalized content and feedback, helping students learn more effectively and improve their performance. Number 2. Automated grading. AI-powered grading systems can save teachers time by automatically grading assignments and providing feedback to students. This frees up teachers to focus on more high-level tasks, such as lesson planning and one-on-one instruction. Number 3. Chatbots. AI chatbots can answer students' questions and provide support outside of class time. By automating these tasks, AI can free teachers to focus on other responsibilities and provide students with quick and accurate responses. Number 4. Intelligent tutoring systems. Intelligent tutoring systems use AI to provide customized feedback and guidance to students as they work through problems. These systems can identify areas where students are struggling and provide additional instruction and support. Number 5. Learning analytics. AI-powered learning analytics systems can collect and analyze data on student performance, engagement, and behavior. This information can be used to identify patterns and trends, personalize learning experiences, and improve student outcomes. Number 6. Adaptive assessments. AI-powered adaptive assessments use machine learning algorithms to adjust the difficulty of questions based on a student's previous responses. This provides a more accurate measure of student knowledge and can help identify areas where students need additional support. Number 7. Content creation. AI-powered content creation tools can help teachers and students create and curate educational content more efficiently. These tools can generate summaries, highlight key concepts, and identify relevant resources. Number 8. Language learning. AI-powered language learning systems can provide customized instruction and feedback to students learning a new language. These systems can adapt to each student's level and progress, and provide real-time feedback on pronunciation and grammar. Number 9. Virtual assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants can help students with a variety of tasks, such as scheduling, reminders, and homework assignments. These systems can also provide personalized recommendations and support. Number 10. Proctoring. AI-powered proctoring systems can monitor students during exams to detect cheating or other suspicious behavior. These systems can use facial recognition, keystroke analysis, and other methods to ensure academic integrity. The future of AI in education is likely to see a significant transformation in the way students learn and teachers teach over the next few decades. Here are some possible developments that could occur within the next 100 years. Personalized learning. AI-powered personalized learning systems will become more sophisticated, using student data to tailor content, assessments, and feedback in real time. Intelligent tutoring systems. AI-based tutors will assist teachers in delivering customized instruction to individual students, providing support and feedback that adapts to each student's learning pace and style. Smart content. Smart content that can adapt to the learner's level of knowledge, interests, and learning style will become more prevalent, helping to engage students and increase their understanding of complex concepts. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics will enable educators to use student data to identify early warning signs of struggling students and to provide timely intervention and support to help students succeed. Gamification. The use of gamification in education will continue to grow, with AI-powered games and simulations designed to enhance learning outcomes and promote engagement and motivation. Virtual reality and augmented reality. The integration of virtual and augmented reality into education will enable students to explore immersive environments, engage with content in new ways, and experience real-world scenarios without leaving the classroom. Automation of administrative tasks. AI-powered automation will help reduce the administrative burden on teachers, allowing them to focus on teaching and learning. Global access to education. AI-powered education platforms will help bridge the gap between developed and developing countries, enabling access to quality education for all, regardless of location or socioeconomic status. AI has the potential to revolutionize education by personalizing learning, improving student outcomes, and reducing teachers' workload. However, it's important to consider the potential ethical concerns and ensure that AI is used in a responsible and equitable way.